Welcome. Today, we're uncovering the incredible science behind daily exercise and how it can add years to your life while improving your overall health. Whether you're new to fitness or looking for motivation, stick around as we explore the profound impact of movement on your body and mind. Let's dive in. Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for health. Studies show that just 30 minutes of daily movement can reduce your risk of premature death by 35%.
How?
It strengthens your heart, improves brain function, and even slows down aging at the cellular level. Here's an interesting fact. Every time you exercise, you're actually lengthening the protective caps on your DNA called telomeres. Longer telomeres mean slower aging. Isn't that amazing? Let's break down the physical benefits. Exercise does wonders for your cardiovascular system. It lowers blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, and keeps your heart strong. It also boosts your metabolism and helps prevent chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and even some forms of cancer. Strength training, for instance, builds muscle and improves bone density, while cardio strengthens your heart and lungs. Don't forget flexibility exercises like yoga. They enhance posture and reduce stiffness, keeping you mobile as you age. Exercise isn't just about your body, it's also a game changer for your mind. Physical activity reduces stress hormones like cortisol and releases endorphins, making you feel happier and more relaxed. Regular movement improves focus, sharpens memory, and protects against cognitive decline. In fact, neurogenesis, or the production of new brain cells, is stimulated by exercise, especially in the hippocampus, which is vital for learning and memory. Now, let's talk about how to make exercise part of your daily life. Start small, maybe a 10-minute walk, and gradually build up. Choose activities you enjoy, like dancing, swimming, or hiking. Set realistic goals and schedule your workouts just like you would a meeting or an appointment. Invite friends or family to join you for accountability and fun. And remember, consistency is the key to long-term benefits. Daily exercise is about more than just fitness. It's a commitment to a healthier, longer, and more fulfilling life. Whether it's a quick stretch or a high-energy workout, every movement matters. Start today, stay consistent, and enjoy the incredible benefits that come with an active lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.
See you next time.